Yeah.
I feel you. This time we'll launch at good times. You can make it a little quicker.
Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up, y'all? We're here, lowest winds ever. We're about to do the Kemah to Galveston. Kemah Boardwalk to Pleasure Pier. We're gonna see how dead it is because of the quarantine that's going on, stay-at-home orders and everything, so all businesses are closed. We'll see you on the water. So we're here at Kemah Boardwalk. As you can see, nobody's out here right now. It's the deadest I've ever seen it. Oh, I'm videoing you, video me. Yeah.
He probably would have made it.
Expecting fog, but based on my videos, y'all know I love seeing fog. We'll ride the shit out of it. Where are you at, little dolphins? I know, there you are. See, we just saw some dolphins. Kevin chased them off. Wasn't my fault. I got a little bit of it on video, but they're so beautiful. Vacation, my own little paradise right here. I wonder if you can camp out here.
You trying to swing live?
We got the little Palapa, a swing right here. All I need is some frozen margaritas. what I didn't show you is that when you come off of like a beached area, sandbar, or anything like that, you want to rock your skis. Show them how you rock it. Because you don't want to suck up anything in your pump, in your intake rate, anything like that. Then you're going to wonder why you're not getting maximum speed because your damn wearing or prop or whatever else is chewed up.
Who wants a tight prop?
Alright, I forgot to tell y'all. Let me introduce y'all. So this guy runs this route a couple times. This is Mark. He's our lovely tour guide for this Clear Lake, Galveston area.
I'm the good looking one.
He's my weather guy also. I always consult with him about winds, swells, and everything. Over here to the concrete ship. You say, why would you build a ship out of concrete? Well, exactly, but supposedly that you can make it buoyant. They said that you would have like a pocket of air at the bottom and you can make it buoyant. How old is the ship? 1950s. The USS Selma. Hey, buddy, I'll hold your ski. You want to go in there and, you know, flip off? No, I heard that it's like unstable. Like somebody's fallen in before. Yeah. I don't know how true that is. So we're here at the USS Selma. Now this is a concrete sunken ship.
This fireman is gonna climb up there and he's like,
oh yeah, the fireman is gonna get it. It shows 30 feet. Damn. How big was the ship? I've only been out here about 2-3 times. This is my 3rd time, I think. That's the goal. All these fishermen are out here. I haven't been out in the jetties in a while. Oh, what was that? Dolphins! Dolphins, guys. There's a dolphin sighting. You see how calm it is now? It's not always like this. This is calm. This is pretty calm. So if you ever try to come out here, you have to look at the winds. Your friends are gonna hate you. You're gonna be like, hey guys, I'm gonna show you where we went. And then you're gonna be like, it wasn't like, you're like, it wasn't like this when we went. What happened to Donnie?
The engine's not acting right.
Oh shit.
So we're gonna play with it. Just go ahead and make our way back.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah. That'll be good. Kind of like northwest up.
You're gonna take the same path? Are you gonna take the same path? down to 4 and 4 people. So that's Galveston. You see that? Galveston area. That's Galveston, y'all. The seawall's right behind him. We've got some twinning going on. Finally, we made it. After all the fog. See it. Came up and I was like, oh, what is that? Oh, it's Pleasure Pier. How creepy. So we're here at Pleasure Pier. It's like a ghost town. Nobody's here. Barely any cars driving. But this place is usually lit up. You know, operating, the Ferris wheel is going around, the coaster, you hear people screaming, and now it's just quiet. Let's see if I can go underneath the bridge. 7.8, we're good on depth. Still at 8.5, 8.6. What the world's come to. Bye. Until next time. Only go 10 miles per hour, but then it started going 40. But we're just gonna, I guess he's gonna leave the ski here at the Texas City Dike, and then we're gonna go get his car, or somebody's gonna bring him to go get his vehicle.
I wake up in the morning, I roll up and count.
We made it back. We're here in Kemah. About to get back to the truck. Gotta take care of some stuff at home. See you next time.